So, you've done an awesome job uploading your videos through your stream and resources. You followed my video precisely as I said it before, and then you get this dreaded processing button that just doesn't want to go away. I called Mbac on this, and they told me that they are not sure what's going on. It might very well be a glitch. They said that each teacher could individually submit a ticket and they could see what was going on their end. You're welcome to do that. That's one way you can go about this. If you feel relatively tech savvy and want to try a different way of going about your managed back videos, you could also go through uploading them to YouTube. And so I wanted to quickly give you guys just a very fast rundown on how to do that. This is also shown in my screenshot tutorial here, if you would rather watch it on a screenshot version. But I'll show you the step-by-steps. One weird little thing that's like the weirdest part about it is that you need to begin by verifying your YouTube account. The reason for this is because if you do not do this, your video limit will be 15 minutes. And our classes are longer than 15 minutes, so you won't be able to upload any of your videos. But that's easy to do just by going to Google and typing in verify YouTube account. I'm going to reiterate this again, that it is best if you use Google Chrome, because then you will automatically be logged into your YouTube account here. But just make sure you're logged in on Google Chrome. If you're not, then you go to YouTube, verify YouTube account, and it will ask you to log in. And you can follow the step-by-step directions on here. It's really quite easy. Mine is already verified, but it'll ask for your phone number and then send you a verification code. So once you've verified your YouTube account, you are going to go to YouTube. So you'll just go to youtube.com. Again, make sure that you are logged in, preferably to your Riverstone account here. And yes, I know my suggested videos are just fantastic. But up here, you are going to see a create button in the right-hand corner that you can upload videos with. So you'll hit that little camera with the plus and then upload video. And then once you're here, you will go to the select file. You can also drag and drop it if you're familiar with that, but select file. And then again, your Zoom your Zoom videos are automatically downloading to the documents section. So that's here, documents, and then Zoom. And then you're going to want to locate the date of the video you're looking to upload. So here's my video that I'm going to choose to upload. And I'm going to just select that one. And always make sure that you upload the MP4 file. And I have two because I edited this one, but go ahead and open that and it will begin the processing of the video, which is relatively quick. And then you're just going to want to put in a title. Once you've gotten your title in, you can choose to put a description, whatever you'd like, and that will go in with your videos. I've started making playlists. You don't need to. Yes, this is made for kids. So this is going to get rid of ads so that while your students are watching this, they do not need to watch the ads, okay? Next, you are going to wait for this to upload. So mine is done uploading, and I'm just going to hit the next button. And you're going to come here to, here's a pretty important thing for us as educators, is that we're going to publish this, but since students are likely shown in it as it's a Zoom call, you're going to want to make this either private or unlisted. I really recommend the unlisted setting because no one can search for this on YouTube, but you can send a link and anyone with a link can watch it. If you set it to private, you have to go into a bunch of settings to allow who can see your video, and it becomes really cumbersome to make sure that all of your students can have the correct access to it. Unlisted kind of does both things, where we're protecting the students' privacy, but also making it easy for them to view it. And then really those are the only main settings that are going to apply to you. You'll go to Save. And it's still processing, so it'll take just a moment for me. But once this is done being processed, it's going to bring up a screen. I'll show you what that screen looks like. It's going to bring up a screen that looks like this, and it will give you the link to your video. And you can either you can copy that link by hitting that little button there. And once you've copied that link, you'll go back into your online lesson on Mbac as we've done before, accessing it through streams, your online lesson, join online lesson, and then go to upload recording. And instead of like having to go through and choose the file here, you'll just copy and paste your YouTube link here and then save that, and it will publish that to your YouTube or to your Mbac page. It will look like this. So I actually did both the upload and the recording here, but here it shows my YouTube recording, and that will take me to the YouTube video. So again, that's not accessible unless the students have the link. So whoever they share the link to, it will be available to. So I'd have a conversation with your students about, internet literacy and making sure that everyone is on the same page with our privacy. Okay. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help. I'd be happy to walk you through this individually as well. All right. Sorry for Mbac glitches, guys. I wish there were an easier way. I definitely want to make it as easy as possible for you. So I'll keep you up to date if this becomes different in any way, shape, or form.